Hello class, at the time that I'm doing this video is September 1st, Sunday, September 1st. Since that we are about to start the second week, starting tomorrow, but tomorrow is a Labor Day, so the Lone Star is going to be closed. We're going to start really this week on September 3. I just want to check a little bit our outline. During the first week, that is the one that we are closing today, we're supposed to cover sections 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3, okay, for tech theory. Okay, so I hope that you guys were able to review, or you are reviewing all this material, but in any case, should be a progress and a very advanced progress activity. Okay, so remember that for this Tuesday, that is going to be September 3, the first homework and quiz from MyLabMap is due that date. Is due that date before the end of the day. Okay, so just keep that in mind, and also another important assignment that you can find that assignment at the bottom of the Start Here module is going to be due that day as well. Okay, so in that assignment, which is the ODR assignment, you have 2 forms that you need to fill out and to submit from there. That is very important, extremely important, because if you don't submit that assignment, I'm not going to be able to clear you for the ODR survey, and as a consequence, if that happens, you will be dropped from the course. Okay, so that's why it's very important. Okay, so that's what is due during this first week that is almost finished, and also for this moment is highly and strongly advised to have your registration already done in person, and of course to have the MyLabMap course in person already paired with your D12 course for Math for Liberal Arts, right? So what we're going to do this week that really start on Tuesday, we're going to finish chapter number 2 with sections 2.4 and 2.5. So we're going to go over with operation of SES, Morgan's load, and operations with 3-sex, and also with something that is very important, which is called solve-based problem. And then right after that, we'll introduce chapter number 3, which is basically module number 2. And that chapter number 3 is about logic. Okay, so we're going to see the connections between all these chapters from one to another. So just keep in mind that getting done with chapter number 2, you should start making your review, okay, your comprehensive review for chapter number 2, because it's coming the first sectional test for chapter number 2. That is scheduled already for September, for taking that between September 11 and September 12. You still have some time, but since that we are about to finish chapter number 2, please start making your preparation to review everything in order to get prepared for that test. Well, this is what I want to tell in this video. The instructional material for sections 2.4 and 2.5 together with 3.1 and 3.2 are already available in D12 and visible for you. So you're going to be able to see that material. I opened that material today. Okay, so if you have any question, please let me know. This video is an update that I'm doing today, Sunday, September 1st, and will be available under the module Start Here. But expect to have another one for tomorrow, or after tomorrow, because really we start this coming week on Tuesday, about the introduction for this material that is going to start running on Tuesday, right? Which is, as I mentioned before, 2.4, 2.5, and now the logic chapter, which is chapter number 3. Okay, but we are going to cover in this coming week for chapter 3 only 2 sections. Section 2.1, 3.1, and 3.2, which is basically the introduction of logic, getting into the comprehension of what is a statement, what are the basic statements, and also to introduce compound statement, which is at the very beginning we are going to consider 2 statements for making a compound statement. Okay, well, this is all what I want to comment in this video. Thank you.